SPR City, World of Dance. ரொம்ப நல்ல ஒரு ஏரியா. இந்த இடத்துக்கு வரும்போது நான் நிறைய ஏரியா சென்னையில் நிறைய மிஸ் பண்ணுவேன். லைக் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் குஷல் தாஸ் கார்டன் அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணுவேன் நான். அதே மாதிரி இந்த பினிமிலையும் ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணேன். ஏன்னா நிறைய ஷூட்டிங் சின்ன வயசுலேருந்து எங்கேயோ ஓடி ஆடி விளையாடி. ஸோ எப்படி இருக்கும் இந்த இடம் உள்ளே வரும்போது ஆக்சுவலாக அதை விட இப்போ ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குன்னே சொல்லுவேன். ஸோ ரொம்ப நல்லா பில்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அண்ட் வேர்ல்ட் ஆஃப் டான்ஸ்க்கு எனக்கு என்றைக்குமே தனி மரியாதை உண்டு. ஏன்னா டான்ஸ்லேருந்து வந்தவங்க நிறைய பேர் இன்றைக்கி வந்து ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய ஸ்டார்ஸாக மாறி இருக்காங்க. அண்ட் அது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான ஒரு விஷயம். யாருமே பிறந்தோடனே டான்ஸ்லாம் ஆடிட முடியாது. அதுக்குன்னு எப்போவுமே வந்து உள்ள ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஒரு ஜீனில் இருக்கணும் அது. ஸோ அவ்வளோ கஷ்டமான ஒரு விஷயத்தை வந்துட்டு அதை இன்னும் நல்லா ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்ணுன்ட்டு இவங்கெல்லாம் எடுத்திருக்க அந்த முயற்சி எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. அண்ட் அவங்க எல்லாருக்கும் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். என்னோடய டான்ஸா சுமாராக ஆடுவேன். ஆமாம். மாஸ்டர் பண்ணதுலேருந்து கொஞ்சம் பயமாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்லலாம். ஏன்னா திருப்பியும் பழைய மாதிரி தப்பு பண்ண முடியாது இல்லையா. திருப்பியும் ஒரு 4 அதான் சொல்கிறேன். கொஞ்சம் பயமாக இருந்தது. பட் கண்டிப்பாக அந்த பயம்லாம் இப்போ எனக்கு இல்லை. பார்க்குறவங்களுக்கு நிறைய வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். படம்லாம் செம்மையாக இருக்கும். சொல்லக்கூடாது. நான் மாஸ்டர் பண்ணுறவங்க யாருக்கும் சொல்லலை. அதான் நான் திருப்பியும் சொல்கிறேன். நான் மாஸ்டர் உங்களுக்கு பண்ணுறேன்னு யாருக்கும் சொல்லலை. அடுத்து வெரி சூன் ஒரு அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட் இந்த வீக்கே வரும் பாருங்கள்.
Market of India Experience Center, SPR City. So here the talent over gets qualified, gets the opportunity to go to LA and perform under World of Dance LA. At SPR City, we are actually having a integrated township with holistic living as a concept, a work, live, learn, play and commune. We also have a Sri Ram Universal School part of our integrated township, where the holistic education and build of a student is the philosophy. We are happy to be part of this World of Dance. We've also tied up with Rock School of London as part of our curriculum in the school. See, we are bringing a lot of global brands into our SPR City. Market of India will host a lot of world-class brands. As part of our sports academy, we are bringing in global coaching centers, coaching sports centers here. That's why we also tied up with Rock School of London. Okay, and since it's a perfect platform for us to showcase our local talent in a global space, that is why we are actually participating or hosting the event of World of Dance in Chennai.
Wow.
How many participants are going to event and how many days going?
How many participants will be participating to World of Dance from?
And how many days?
That should be around one of each.
Three qualifiers get to I think go to
Each category.
each category. I think one team gets to qualify and they will be going to LA for the performance.
How many teams are
300 odd teams.
There were 300 participants.
300 participants.
Yeah, this is the third time I'm judging WOD, and every time I've come to Chennai, there's a lot of talent that we see for sure. And I must say that there are a lot of people, there are a lot of groups and talent today that were like exceptional, but there are a lot of them also who was a little more need more work for, for a platform like this. But thank God that Chennai is hosting something like this, because there are a lot of talent here in this city, and looking forward for more. Anybody? Sagar Bora?
Yeah, even like it's my third time here at World of Dance, and again, as Ruel said, every time it's a new experience. There are fresh groups, and we get really inspired by the teams, by their hard work, like people coming all over from the country, and it's good to see like they work so hard just for this prestigious stage, and I'm sure about it that like, the stage is really worth it, and we're glad to have you. Thank you SPR for having this.
Yes,
thank you World of Dance.
thank
Thank you Binu for having all the amazing panel in this judge, and we had a great time judging the event. We got really inspired though, and we can't wait for the results already. So what's all about.
Passing it over to the World of Dance champion. Let's go!
Okay, so for this championship, I would say, 5 years back, it was just a dream for all the dancers out here in our country to like get a stage where we like participate and showcase our talent and compete internationally. So I think finally, 3 years back, World of Dance came to India, and I think it has created a lot of opportunities for all our dancers out here to like compete and like go international and beat the other teams out there. So yes,
You're one of them. Yeah, I guess.
Anything else?
So, I just want to share something like I've been judging India officially World Championship panel from India. I've been sitting, and the people who I saw in front of me sitting here now. They're all sitting here because best what they have. That's why the reason they pushed the art form itself pushed them to be here at this position, and I'm so happy. For me, another thing, very informative thing is like in the world, any other country might be 2 or 3 languages only, but in India we represent 29 languages, and we have 29 flavor of hip hop or dance varieties in India officially. So everybody is proving every self. So that's why they're here, and they are motivating the upcoming, the next generation. So I'm so happy that they all are coming down to Chennai and promoting dance. And Chennai got the dance high rich culture from 80s. I don't know about India, but Chennai we got 80s from 80s. It's been hip hop without knowing we're doing hip hop. Without there was no radio, there was no mobile phone, there was no computer. Now we know, in 2000 I come to know that's called hip hop. So that name itself, it started in 1988, so that's where I started hip hop in Chennai. So hip hop is always like, a tagline I can give, like slum always lives in rich culture, it's hip hop. So that's what hip hop brings everyone's life to the world. Now it's not only hip hop, dance. Dance is an art form, and it's not only art form, it's a 100% education, because dance has everything now. It's not just you focusing on dance. Dance as a science, dance as a language, dance as a mathematics, dance as a history. So dance is whole lot of education. So it's all the responsibility people, all these responsible people making happening. India making proud. I'm so proud of Ruel, Sagar, and Mohan Pandey and King Sundarat. They are making India proud day by day, year by year. So I'm so happy to be part of this, and thank you everybody, all the panel and all of you. Thank you so much for coming down to Chennai and doing this. Love you all.
Yeah!
Was one of my very big inspirations in the beginning times of my dancing.
Let's go.
So sitting along with him also makes me so proud about it, and I'm super glad that people from my city is organizing this, and I'm honored to be here. And good luck to all the contestants as well.
Wow. Very well said, yeah?
Nimble.
I'm just happy. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, watching everybody coming all over from India, had a great experience. Thank you.
My name is Velu Kumar. So first year when the WOD happened out here, I was one of the participants, and I won the underground battle. And before that, 1 year I was supposed to be in LA, 2015 with my team. That's the Daisy Hoppers, where I didn't get my visa on time. But I thought I would give up dancing, but never gave up dancing. But there was something big waiting. So now down the lane, I'm sitting and judging this WOD, which means that hard work and continuous effort should never be given up. And thank you so much, WOD. And we never had brands, supporting any dance competitions. The dancers or the organizers have to, invest in so much of money. But right now, big brands will, part of this. They are part of, our dance competition and supporting, which is a big thing. And most of the other cities, you also need to approach big brands, and they will definitely, support us and push us to different international competitions and make India proud. So thank you so much, SPR City, an amazing job for giving this platform to the dancers. Thank you so much.
Share is that I'm from Chennai, like born, brought up here, so I've been watching dance also like from a kid. It was very difficult in the beginning to even have a stage or any platform or to learn anything over here. Still dance has grown to what it can, and right now World of Dance, such a big brand with an amazing judge panel. A dance competition like this is like goal for every dancer. Like, you know, we're waiting for something like this, and to see World of Dance India putting this in Chennai and giving everyone an opportunity, I kind of feel a little jealous that, you know, we didn't get all this, like so many things that time, but now it's amazing, and you know, we all want to do our best on judging everyone the right way, putting the right talent out there and representing India. So thanks to Binu and World of Dance India and SPR for giving us this. Yeah.
And thank you guys for doing this as well.
Wow. Last but not least.
Mr. Wong. This is Anthony Wong, and World of Dance is one of the biggest opportunities which dancers could get in life. The very best example we have right here. Yeah. So the platform itself is a big mark where your dancers can really show that, okay, what we can do as dancers. Yeah. So a platform which is really important, where every dancer needs to step in some point of the life. So we did not get these opportunities before, and right now when we have it, then I think they should make the most of it, and this wouldn't be possible without SPR City. So thank you so much for supporting this event, and the panels itself says and speaks a lot of this. Yeah, so I'm really happy to be a part of this, and yeah, it's an amazing feeling. Thank you.
Yes.